Dapat green to eh. Yung yan. Yung echo. Dapat green yan eh. But we're moving like bullshit. Now, nagre-red na siya. It's wrong. What the fuck is wrong with you? Nakailang ikot na ako ah. Shit. Hindi sensor issue to eh. Kasi kung sensor, naka-check engine eh. Pahinga natin konti. So, I put the gear in manual. First gear po tayo. Bumawi. Okay. Something is definitely wrong. Ulitin natin, ha? At ako'y nakailang ulit-ulit na trying to think what the fuck is wrong with you. Sa baba wala siyang problema eh. Pero kanina patag nung nasa bayan ako, nagpakita eh. Temperature is at half. Okay. So mag-stop uli ako doon sa harap ng bahay, ha? Hyundai, tigilan mo naman ako. Puro Honda na nga ginagawa ko. Okay, so we're here at the front of the house. Second try. Ay, topak. Oh, ngayon ang tuling niya, oh. Oh. So pag trip niya, lalabas. What the F? Isipan kita magdamag ngayon. Good morning. Yeah. Okay, just a short story. Last night I visited the wake of my friend. Then on the way home, this car had issues. So naglo-low power siya. The engine was bogging down. I don't know what happened while I was going home. In short, last touch ako. Last touch ako dito sa kotse. So the problem occurred, it happened when I was using it. So I have to fix it. Pinag-isipan ko siya magdamag kagabi. I did go to the fuel lines and everything, checked on everything. Last night, the issue doesn't have check engine, so it's not an issue with the sensors or anything. Hey Kat, tumabi ka dyan. So now we're all good. Last night, pag ganito uphill, he's having problems, but right now, yeah, power's back. Definitely the power is back. Feeling the turbo spooling. Ouch. So we're all good. Thank you for watching.